Hello folks, today I want to show you something that I came across when I recently went to Brazil, and I thought that it would be interesting for you to show. This is what it called sugarcane. For those of you who doesn't know about this is one of the products that Brazil is one of the major producers in the world. They call it sugarcane, and they have many uses for this. First of all, they use this to make fuel for cars, so they make from this ethanol. Okay, many cars in Brazil runs on ethanol, and ethanol can come from this thing. Okay, so they have major fields of this just to produce ethanol. Another thing that they use this for is to make sugar. So that's why this is called sugarcane. So they make sugar out of this. Okay, and another thing that they use this product for is to make hard drinks, such as cachaças, which is very famous here. So they use this to make cachaça, hard drink. Okay. They make out of this rapadura. It's kind of sugar in blocks, okay, bricks of sugar. It's brown like a raw sugar, okay, so it's very good to sweeten things, okay. And I thought of what should I show this for? Why should I show this for? In bushcraft, what can this be good for? So if you ever happen to find one of these in front of you when you are in an emergency situation, just grab it, peel it, and chew it. This is going to be like a shot of pure energy in your blood. It will renew you, it will give you energy and strength to keep going. This is very good and powerful. It makes you feel good, tastes good. Okay, so you get this is very high. So you cut one of these, peel it, okay, the bark, and then you're gonna have this. I just brought here this little piece, but this is large, big. So, and then you cut in small pieces, and it's gonna make easy for you to chew it. I'm gonna try to open up one of these and show it for you. Actually, I'm gonna use the machete. Okay, well, just a little piece. It's gonna be enough. You can feel the moist already here. So you see the moist here in the knife pocket. I'm gonna cut it in small pieces, like square. like this, okay, and I'll just chew it. It's gonna be a source of water for you and a source of energy as well. You see? Just this little piece can keep you going. Just make sure that you cut in small pieces so you don't hurt yourself while you're chewing this, okay? This is a very fibrous plant. So once you show it, you don't eat it, you don't eat this. Once you show it, you just leave to dry, and then you can use this as well for burning and make tinder, and to easy your fire. Okay, this is gonna be very good source of tinder for you to initiate your fire. Okay, since this is very fibrous thing, and this will dry after you shoot it, then you can use this to burn, okay, to start your fire. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you guys appreciate this, my first video in English. Sorry for the mistakes, but I couldn't miss the chance of showing this product for you guys. Okay, thank you, God bless you.